Hey everyone, I'm Sabrina Myers and I'm making this vlog about my entire monthly journey, 30 days, of doing the course Filmmaking and Storytelling with Casey Neistat. Let's go. So before I tell you about the actual course and my experience, it probably makes sense to tell you about where I got to know about this course and a little bit more about Monthly. So this is Monthly. It's a website where you can commit to creativity for 30 days and you can do lots of different hands-on classes from so many different cool people like pop songwriting with Charlie Puth, electronic music production with Kygo, and of course filmmaking and storytelling with Casey Neistat, like you're seeing here. So it's basically 30 days. It's like 1 month of classes, flexible schedule. You create 2 original films, and it's basically for all levels. And this is not a paid promotion or anything. It's something I've always wanted to do, and this is the year of the level up. But if you're interested in finding out more about it, head to the website and you can see the entire syllabus and curriculum of what I'm going to be doing. I do a lot of social media content work for clients like destinations, hotels, and event service businesses. And so this is the year that I wanted to invest in myself and level up my expertise and my craft. If that sounds like you and you want to invest and learn more about storytelling and video editing, then yeah, join me on my journey and yeah. It's going to be great. Who is Casey Neistat and why do I want to learn storytelling and movie making from him? So this is Casey Neistat, and I would describe him as one of the OGs of vloggers on YouTube. He has got over 12 million subscribers on YouTube and growing still every day, as well as over 2 or almost 3 million followers on Instagram. And his videos in collectiveness have had over 3 billion views. 3 billion views. Think about that for a second. So you go on Monthly, you buy yourself the course, and then basically I'm now going to show you what the inside of the classroom looks like. So without showing you too much, this is what the inside of the classroom looks like. As you can see, I'm here in the curriculum. You can hit these buttons and expand those areas to see all the videos that are coming up. This is the class home, so it's kind of like the dashboard, I want to say. Now back in the curriculum, you can see the first thing we did was onboarding and introduction before the course started. So there were a couple of videos, and what's really cool is before it all kicks off, there's this tools and equipment that you need. And I thought this was great because it kind of shows like the essentials of what you use to do the editing and the capturing of content. But it's also a mixture of what's nice to have versus what you absolutely don't need to get. But gives you a wide range from free to budget to expensive. Then you can see what are the videos that are coming up, and they're unlocked periodically accordingly across the entire month. Now this is my learning path, so it kind of shows you what I've been doing so far, which is great. So you can it's like your own personal feed. And then you can see, my intentions that I set for the class, as well as about myself, which is a profile that I've filled up, and that's what the others can see. And by others, I mean my peer group. You get connected to this group of other students who are doing the course at the same time, and you're sharing with each other and getting feedback from each other. So that's also super cool. So the videos and my next vlog going to be about my experience from day 1 to 6 as part of this course. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, follow me to see how this all plays out. I'll share my experience, everything that I'm going to be doing, some gems of wisdom that hopefully I pick up from Casey along the way. So yeah, drop a comment if you are finding this interesting, if you've got any questions about Monthly, about this entire process. I will put some more information in the comments or the caption of this video so that if you want to click around at any point, then feel free to look there and get information. And yeah, look forward to seeing you in the next one with Casey Neistat.